Ko te reihi, tahirau whitu te kaumā toru, whitu te kaumā rua, ngā tāne te kaumā iwa tau me raro iho te pakeke take ono 250 mita. Aratua tahi, Fraser, aratua rua, te kura kaupapa Māori o Horauta Wānanga, Tamanuku, aratua toru, Rahui Pōkeka, aratua wha, Northland College, Fairfield College, kei te aratua rima, Pass au whee kei te aratua ono, te kura kaupapa Māori o Mangere kei te aratua whitu, te au te college, te kura Māori o ngā tapuai Opononi Area School, Tauranga Boys Blue, me te Pairua kei te aratua Ngahuru Mārua.
Our under-19 boys have got a red flag on the boats to start this next race. The Dub 6 is on. Ways e te iwi. Palmpy start. Looks like lane number 1 managed to get out of the blocks first. Lane number 1. Pumping down the course. Impressive start at that too. The boys on the inside of them. Pumping down the line as well. As you can see, all these young men are working tirelessly together. Bit of a wind up on the middle lanes there. 6 coming through the line there. Now it's a battle to see who can hold momentum, who has the goods to push that blade a little deeper. Positioning themselves amazingly, pumping and driving off that power leg. Encouraging that waka to sit nice and high in the water. But here they come now. Pumping through the line. Close one, 6 and 1.
Pacific Advanced Secondary School me Fraser High School tērā.
Nice work pass. Pacific Advanced Secondary School o Whee. Weti, Benjamin, we've got Whakalowhai atu Fetu, we've got Jason, Landon and Peter. Peter boy still in there. Ei, tēnā koutou. Uncle Chris will be happy. Me hiana kia koutou.
Nei e te iwi, te tōwaitanga o te reihi tahirau whitu te kaumā rua. E whiringa toa tēnei. They're definitely making them exciting races to watch. No clear lead. Ngari kia tai ki te mutunga. Pacific Advanced Secondary Schools tērā. Tū frehe tāne mā.
There's your official results, though, for race 172 for the under-19 boys. Dub 6, 250 metre te K final pass. Pacific Advanced Secondary School o Whee with a time of 101.86. Fraser Taniwha with 102.45. And Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Mangere with 103.29.